Hello everyone, welcome back to Silver Lake Honey channel. Today I'm going to talk about honeybee healthy homemade recipe that I do. I've been using commercial one for a few years and I switched to my own mainly because it's a lot cheaper and I control what goes inside. So the first ingredient, like in a cup of water, I use soy lecithin granules, quarter teaspoon, and I put it in a cup of warm water and I let it sit overnight. And tomorrow I add 5 ml or 1 teaspoon of wintergreen oil, tea tree oil, and spearmint. So that's all 5 ml or 1 teaspoon. And I add 5 drops of lemongrass oil. So I add everything together. So that's 5 ml each. Wintergreen oil, tea tree oil, and spearmint. 5 ml each or 1 teaspoon each, and then 5 drops of lemongrass. Lemongrass is used just as an attractant. I have found out that using this formula, found out that my bees are healthier and help them with stress and pathogens and parasites. I would consider this as a vitamin pill for bees, and controls mites and also helps with nosema. Um, it helped me with introduction of new queens, uh, and also like as a feeding stimulant. And I also put some in swarm traps, so it can be used for many ways. But it's cheap, so you make your own. It's a lot cheaper than paying $30 for like 8 ounce cup of commercial one. So I hope this helps. Have a good day.